Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the circle gesture. Open Settings, go to Gestures, and toggle Circle Search on. Once done, assign the circle action specifically to search rather than a shortcut, because that directs input to the correct engine. Make sure required permissions like microphone and location are granted so voice and contextual results work. You'll want to test immediately with a short query to see that the gesture triggers the search overlay and that the on-screen input appears. Now customize how circle behaves. Adjust sensitivity so accidental triggers are minimized, and pick short versus long press to match how you hold the phone. Then select which search provider the circle uses and toggle voice input if you prefer speaking. Also, configure context sources, apps, local files, or web so results are relevant. Doing this reduces clutter and speeds results. As you tweak, perform a few queries to confirm results, prioritize the sources you selected. Finish by running varied tests. Type queries, try voice commands, and open results to ensure deep links work. If circle misbehaves, reset the circle gesture settings first and retry. Many issues stem from conflicting shortcuts or sensitivity. If problems persist, revoke and then regrant search permissions to refresh access tokens. Only as a last resort, consider a settings reset. If nothing fixes it, note the exact reproduction steps so support can replicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.